Archana, teacher of SPS. Welcome to PP2 online classes. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and staying at home. I like to rhyme. You like to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time. I like to rhyme. You like to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time. Children, you are thinking why this teacher is singing song. Yes? Are you thinking so? I am singing song because I want to give you a hint to guess my topic. Did you guess what is my topic? Did you guess it? I like to rhyme. You like to rhyme. Let's rhyme together and have a good time. What is the topic? Can you guess the topic? Yes? No? So let me tell you what is the topic. Our topic is rhyming words. I am going to tell you the words that rhyme. So our topic is, repeat with me children, what is our topic? Our topic is rhyming words. Okay, now what is rhyming word? You know, we all of us know rhymes. Yes, we all of us know rhymes. We sing lots of songs. But what are these rhyming words? We know rhymes, but we don't know about rhyming words, right? So, shall I tell you what are rhyming words? Shall I? Shall I or not? Tell me, shall I or not? Shall I tell you? Yes, I will tell you. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words that end with the same sound. Like, for example, let me give you an example. Cat, mat. See, when I am pronouncing it loudly, so it sounds similar. Yes or no? The sound is similar. That ends with the same sound. Cat, mat. Repeat with me children. Cat, mat. Is that sound similar? Is the ending sound same? See, ka, at, ma, at. So, ending sound is same, right? So, the words which are having same ending sounds, they are called as rhyming words. No, you know what? Now I want to show you few words that are rhyming. See, here I am having a family word. What is this children? Family word. Family word means, see, when we are pronouncing rhyming words, when we say that word is a rhyming word, like, so the only first sound will be changing and the remaining two letters, remaining sound will be the same. Like ka, at, ma, at. Only the first letter sound is changing, right? So remaining sound is same. Now what we do? See, like you take a, T. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of T? Ta. So, when we are reading the rhyming words, we have to pronounce these sounds together. Like, now we are reading it like separate. A, ta. Now, when we are reading it together, it becomes et. Similarly, this is A-N. What is A-N? Can you read it together? And. What is this? E-D. So, when we are reading the sounds, when we are clubbing the sounds together, it becomes ed. U-B, ab. So, now, see here children. So, now, what is the family word here? At. So I am writing here H-A-T. Okay. Now, what is the sound of H? A-T? At. At. Hat. Ka. At. Cat. Ma. At. Mat. Did you get it children? Did you get it or not? Now, in the similar way, read this one. What is A-N? What is the sound for A-N? When we read it together, how it sounds? A-N, an. Ka, an, can. Pa, an, pan. Ma, and man. Now we'll move to the next one. E, D, ed. See, when we are reading, what is the sound of E? A. A. What is the sound of D? D. Now when we read it together, when we club the sounds of these two letters, it becomes ed. R, ed. Red. B, ed. Bed. L, ed. Led. Now UB. What is UB? Can you club the sounds? What is the sound of U? A. What is the sound of B? Ba. A. Ba. Ab. Now pa. Ab. Pub. Ta. Ab. Tub. Ra. Ab. Rub. Did you get me, children? See, when we are club, now these are the family words. AT is the family word. AN, ED, UB are the family words. So when we are writing at, hat. So these are the, now you see. Now you read it loudly. So when you will feel that those words are rhyming, you have to read it loud. When you are seeing, you can't find it. See, when we feel the sound, if we read it out, if we talk it out, we can feel the sound. Read it loudly, children. HAT, 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 cat, mat. Are they sounding similarly? Yes or no? Only the first letter sound is changing. The ending sound is same. See here, the ending sound for these three words, AT, 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 at. What is the starting sound? Ka, ma. What is the, see now, can you observe? Only the first letter sound is changing and the ending sound is same. So these are called as rhyming words. The words for which the first letter sound is changing and the ending sound is same. So what are the rhyming words? For the words for which the starting sound is changing and ending sound is same. So now can you read it loudly, children? Hat, cat, mat. So they are sounding similarly, right? Can you understand now? Now read this one. Can, pan, man. Red, bed, lead. Pub, tub, rub. What is the ending sound here? Up. So here what? Only the first sound is changing. Here also the same. R, ba, la. Only the first sound is changing and ending sound is ed. Red, bed, lead. So did you understand what is a rhyming word? Yes or no? What is the rhyming word? What is the rhyming word? Can you tell me? Shall I tell you again? The words which are having ending sound as same sound like cat, mat, hat, mat, rat, cat. See, ending sound is same and only the first sound is changing. So these are the words that are rhyming. You know, in my home, I am having my friend. I am having one friend. Shall I show him? Show him. Today, daily when I am making videos, daily he is asking me, I want to meet your friends. I want to meet your kids. So let me make them also my friends. Because you are my friends, right? Am I your friend? Yes or no? Yes, we are friends. So what he is telling is, even I want to make friendship with them. I want to make friends. So today he is coming to meet you people. Today is coming to meet you. He came. What is his name? Do you know his name? His name is Rocco. What is his name? Rocco. Rocco, tell your name to your friends. Rocco. Did he introduce himself? What is his name, children? Rocco, Rocco, Rocco. Rocco, Rocco, Rocco. Rocco is here to make you friends. Okay. Before Rocco is talking to you, let us learn something. Okay? See here, children. Now you have to open your course book. Now did you got it right? Did you understand what are rhyming words? Understood, right? So now you have to open your course book 1. You have to go to page number 10. 10. What is the page number, children? 10. So here, look here. Look into your book, children. Look into your book. Look here, children. Here some words are given. Can you see the words that are given in the book? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Yes. So, what is here? Circle the words that rhyme. The first one is done for you. You know what? Here, he has given 3 sets of here is a set of words that is having 3 words. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to circle the rhyming words. You all know rhyming words, right? Do you know rhyming words? Yes. See now. Now children, you know what? If you are reading it loud, you will get it easily. See children. H-A-T, hat. C-O-T, coat. M-A-T, mat. So now in these 3 words, what are the words that rhyme? Means what are the words that are having the similar sound? Hat, coat. Are they sounding similar? No. Hat, mat. Are they sounding similar? Yes. So now we have to circle hat and mat. Let us go to next one. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Read it loud, children. Read it loud. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. P-E-G, peg. Huh? Now, see again. Look again. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. They are sounding similar. See? O-G, og. O-G, og. So, only first letter is changing here and the ending one is same. P-E-G, peg. Is there og sound here? No. Is there any letter O and G here? No. So what are the rhyming words now? D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. Next one. R-O-D, rod. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. What are the rhyming words? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? R-O-D, rod. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. So tell me, what are the rhyming words now? See here, children. What is the first word here? What is the first letter here? R. Second, see. O-D, odd. Rod. R-E-D. Is there O-D here? Is there a sound of odd here? No. R-E-D. Red. B-E-D, bed. So now tell me, what are the words that are rhyming? What are the words that are having the similar sound? What are they? Rod and bed? Is it so? No. What are those? R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. Now you have to circle B-E-D, bed and R-E-D, red. Very good. Now in the similar way, you have to finish this one, children. You have to circle the words that are rhyming here. Okay. Okay. Now here, write the rhyming word. Write the rhyming word for each word. Okay. Here few words were given. So you have to write the rhyming word for that word. See here. Sun. Bun. See. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N, un, sun, B-U-N, un, bun. These are the rhyming words. In the similar way, now can you tell me what is the rhyming word for cat? At, cat, at, mat. Like that, you have to write the rhyming words. Okay, now children? See here, sun, let me tell you. Sun, bun, cat, rat, cat, rat, hot, pot, men, pen, kid, lid, hut, nut, pan, man, dog, log, pet, net, zip, lip. Let me tell it again, children. Sun, bun, sun, bun, cat, rat, hot, pot, men, pen, kid, lid, hut, nut, pan, man, dog, log, pet, net, zip, lip. These are the rhyming words. Now can you tell me, children, what are the rhyming words? What are the rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words that are having the similar ending sound, same ending sound. What are the rhyming words? The words which are ending with the same sound. Only the first sound will be changing and ending sound is the same. Okay, they end with the same sound. So now, Rocky wants to talk to you. Rocky wants to talk to you. Will you talk to him? Are you ready to talk to him? Shall I ask him to come again? Is his name Rocky? Did you forget? What is his name? Rocco. Call him. Call him. Come on, Rocco. Come on, come on, come on. He came. Rocco. Hi, Rocco. Hi. Oh, he's telling hi. Say hi to my kids. Hi, hi. Oh, he's telling hi. You also can tell hi to him. Say hi, children. Say hi to Rocco. Hi, 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 hi. So now, Rocco, Rocco, Rocco. Rocco, Rocco, Rocco. Rocco knows the rhyming words very well. Rocco, Rocco, Rocco. The rhyming Rocco. What is his name? Rocco, 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 the rhyming Rocco. Rocco, 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 the rhyming Rocco. He knows how to rhyme lots of words. He knows how to rhyme lots of words. He listens with his ears. He listens with what, children? He listens with his ears. And he thinks with his mind. Where is your mind? Here. He listens with his ears and he thinks with his mind. He listens with ears, thinks with mind. With whom? With what you will think? You will think with your mind. Listen with your ears. Think with your mind. And what you have to do? And sings out, and he sings out loudly. He sings out loud. And what he'll do? Then he sings out words that rhymes. What he'll do, children? He sings out the words that rhyme. Is it boring for you? Is Rocco making bored? No? Is making you bored? No? So let me sing it again for you. Rocco, 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 the rhyming Rocco. He knows how to rhyme lots of words. He listens with his ears, thinks with his mind. He listens with his ears, thinks with his mind, and sings out all the rhyming words. Children, now if you see any word, immediately he will say the rhyming word. When I say hi, he says bye. He's telling bye to you. No. When I say hi, he says bye. Now, if you say any rhyming word, he will say the rhyming word for you. Let me tell few words for him, so he will tell the rhyming words. When I say sun, he says. When I say sun, he says fun. When I say cat, he says cat. When I say hot, he says hot. When I say men, he says pen. When I say dog, he says log. When I say put, he says. When I say pet, he says net. When I say zip, he says lip. Now, you know what, children? Now Rocky is going to tell you a few words. Rocco, I am forgetting his name, Now he will scold me if I am forgetting his name. What is his name? Rocco. Now Rocco is going to tell you a few words. Now you have to tell him the rhyming word. Okay? What is the first word, Rocco? What is the first word? Sun. Tell the rhyming word for sun. Rocco is telling it's sun. Now you have to tell the rhyming word for sun. What is this rhyming word for sun? Hey Rocco, my children are telling it is bun. Is it correct or not? Is it correct? Yes. Oh, very good, children. Now what is the rhyming word for sun? It's bun. Very good. Now Rocco is coming with another word. What is the next word, Rocco? Cat. What is the next word? Cat. What is the... Now children, you have to be perfect because Rocco is doing it very good. You also have to do it very good. Now tell me, what is the rhyming word for... What is the rhyming word for? Cat. What is the rhyming word for cat? What is the rhyming word for cat? Rocco, my children are telling it is hat. Is it correct or not? Correct! Yay, children! Very good. You are doing good. Now, we'll make it quick. Okay? Now, Rocco is telling hot. What you will tell? Pot. My children are telling it's pot. Is it correct? Well done, children. Now, sun, bun. Cat, rat. Hot, pot. Man, pen. Dog, log. Pet, net. Zip, lip. Hut, nut. Kid, lid. Pan, man. Did you get the rhyming words, children? Shall I tell it again for you? Rocco will make it fast, okay? Sun, bun. Cat, rat. Hot, pot. Man, pen. Dog, log. Pet, net. Zip, lip. Hut, nut. Kid, lid. Pan, man. So what are the rhyming words, children? Rhyming words are the words that end with the same sound. Only the first sound will be changing and the ending sound is same. Did you get the rhyming words, children? Did you get me or not? Did you get me? So you have to do your work in the course book. Don't forget, you have to do your work in the course book, page number 10. See you in the next class, children. Bye-bye. See if my Rocco wants to tell you bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.